If the police officer decides to use a roadside breathalyzer, whether based on a suspicion or a mandatory demand, there are certain things that the officer has to determine before proceeding with the test. The reason for this is that there are a number of things that can affect the reliability of the results. So in using the roadside breathalyzer, the officer has to ensure that you don't have anything in your mouth. The officer has to ensure that you haven't been smoking within the last 5 minutes. And the officer has to ensure that you haven't had any alcohol within the preceding 15 minutes. If you have had alcohol in the last 15 minutes before taking the test, the training for the police officers is to wait 15 minutes. And this is because alcohol products that have been consumed within 15 minutes of taking the test can falsely elevate the readings, so the test wouldn't be fair to you. If an officer fails to make inquiries about the time of your last drink, they can be challenged on that in trial, and they need to explain the basis of why they believe they could proceed with the test without any delay. The inquiry is focused on what was known to the officer at the time and whether the belief that the officer had in the reliability of the results was honestly and reasonably held.